Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace these bulbs right here. This is a Ford Mustang 2008. Should work for any year Mustang, probably any year Ford up to 2018, because this dome is pretty much made the same way with the two bulbs and the two buttons. And you're pretty much just going to pull down on here. Now it is going to seem hard the first time you do it, but after that it gets a little easier each time. I'm going to do it with one hand. You can use two obviously. You kind of grab in the middle here and just yank down. See, and it pulls right out. So you got the little push pop there. Not like the blow pop lollipop, but you know what I mean. Okay guys, so that's the socket connecting the light bulbs. Like I said, I recommend taking this out. It becomes a lot easier if you do. Just push the lever down, pops right out. Okay guys, so now that you got this off, it's a lot easier to get to and it's a lot easier to pull this out, because trust me, with two fingertips it's not that easy and you don't want to mess with the wiring. So here's one of those plastic tools that I recommend on my previous videos. I'll put a link in the description, you can pick one up, and you're just going to pry it out. So kind of just get in between the grooves right there, see, and it comes out already just like that. Now you can replace the bulb nice and easy, no damage to the wiring, you know. So you're just going to pull the old bulb out, wiggle it a little bit, comes out pretty easy. Grab the new bulb, put that baby in, and you should be good to go, you know. Okay guys, so you just put the socket in the same way it came. Wants to go home, like ET phone home. Clicks right in, and you're going to snap the whole baby back in. Left, right, wax on, wax off. You're good to go, you know. Okay guys, I do recommend testing the bulbs. Make sure you put them in the right way, make sure they work, make sure you're not upside down. Left, right with the twist, maybe, you know, A, B to Z. Anyway, just push the button. Nice, now we have light. Now we have light. So all good in the hood, you know. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Simple video how to replace the bulb in your Mustang, Ford, maybe other car, maybe motorcycle, but I doubt it. But as always, give it a like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Any questions or comments, leave it in the box below. Please use my Amazon links in the description. Even if you're buying regular automotive parts, would be appreciated and help supports the channel. So for now, have an incredible day, an awesome weekend.